Hello everyone, meet Dell S2721DS, a budget QHD monitor with 27-inch screen size. Come with IPS panel, AMD FreeSync and up to 75Hz refresh rate. Loaded with 99% sRGB color gamut. TUV certified with Comfort View give you a flicker-free screen and reduce harmful blue light emissions. Great for office, movie, and gamings? Let's find out. Build quality is excellent for the price. Stylish in design with a thin bezel, having white housing in the back and black front frame as you can see. Here is the 100x100mm Versa mounting interface. Dual 3-watt down-firing speakers on both left and right. The navigation buttons are located beside the right channel speaker. It comes with two HDMI 1.4 ports, DisplayPort 1.2 and 3.5mm audio line-out. Here are the power connector and security lock slot. S2721DS model come with an adjustable monitor stand. You can adjust the height, swivel is supported too, and rotate it for portrait mode. Of course, you can also tilt it. FYI, S2721D is the same as DS model, except it comes with a fixed tilt monitor stand. As for accessories, here is the power cable with UK plug, HDMI cable for video and audio connection. That's all you need. Alright, here is the navigation panel. Let's have a look at the preset mode first. As you can see, there are a lot of them. Just pick the one that suits you. Personally, custom color gives the most accurate colors for me. Yes, you can adjust RGB values. The next one is the speaker volume control. Here is all the stuff that you can configure. As usual, take your time to play around. Some important ones. It supports both RGB and YPWPR color formats. Normal, fast and extreme for response time. And the rest are the common stuff. The viewing angle is excellent for an IPS panel. Rest assured that you are getting the best out of it on the normal viewing angle. Colors and brightness are reduced at an extreme angle, but this is expected. Backlight bleed is decent for an IPS panel. You won't notice it at all during the day. And here is the color uniformity test. Again, the adjustable stand is very useful. Image quality and colors are excellent for the price. Contrast is great as well. Crisp and vivid colors are what you get. Based on specs, it has 99% sRGB color gamut, perfect for daily usage on both office and home entertainment. For technical, it has almost 100% sRGB gamut coverage and 75% Adobe RGB. Here is the sRGB color gamut coverage in details. It's great for the price. Alright, check out the text performance for office work. Ultra clear and sharp for 27-inch QHD monitor. Comfort View that reduce harmful blue light emissions do help to optimize eye comfort even over an extended viewing period. All three main refresh rates are supported on 1080p mode. 24Hz video playback is decent and smooth. Both 50Hz and 60Hz has perfectly smooth video playback. Great for fast-paced action video indeed. As usual, here are the video tests. Start with a 24p video clip. Excellent image quality and color as you can see. Contrast is excellent too for both highlights and shadows. Perfectly smooth 60Hz refresh rate. Just look at this 4K 60 frames per second video. Great for game consoles that require 60Hz. Outstanding 50Hz too. Rest assures that you can watch Chinese TV dramas smoothly. How about gaming? It is performing very well in the input lag test. FYI, the video clip is 5x lower than the usual one. You won't notice input lag in real time. In addition, AMD FreeSync is working properly. No tearing issue here. As usual, Pinball is used to test monitor gaming ability. You can see its smoothness with the ball movement. Perfectly smooth 75Hz is what you get. Other types of games are performing well too. By the way, the game sounds are coming out from the built-in speakers. Clear and loud, but don't expect much bass from them.
Peter, are you crazy? Oh, you wanna dance?
Giggity.
Well, that's all for Dell S2721DS monitor review. In short, it has excellent image quality and colors for the price. Great for office, movie, and gaming. please use my referral link to buy one to support my effort. Don't forget to thumb up too. Thanks. I'm Jace, glad to see you around. Peace.